Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Defender. What is Leisure Time Defender? Leisure Time's Defender is especially designed to prevent scale formation in spas and hot tubs. Control of calcium can be very challenging, especially in spas. Regular use of Defender will prevent mineral buildup from occurring and causing the spa's heater or equipment to fail. Use as a follow-up to Metal Gone, applied at startup. Product benefits: prevents scale formation, aids in the removal of existing scale, prevents dissolved solids from separating into spa and hot tub water, compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizers. Usage directions: weekly. Step 1. Add directly to spa. Use 2 ounces for spas up to 800 gallons. Step 2. Run filtration system for 1 hour or normal filter cycle. Dosage: 2 ounces for spas up to 800 gallons. 4 ounces for spas over 800 gallons. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa.